Alright, so in the last couple of weeks, I've been able to send over 1 million cold emails from different email marketing softwares for different business industries. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the 3 simple steps you need to take to start sending out your own cold emails effortlessly. And also, I'm going to be exposing you to some of the tools that you can use. Basically, many of them are the free ones and some of them are also the paid plans. So if you want to learn how you yourself can start sending cold emails every single day without any problem, you need to watch me and let me share with you my experience so far in this business. So when it comes to sending cold emails, a lot of persons do it wrongly, and that is why they don't get the result they want, or basically they get no result at all. See, anything that concerns email marketing has to be done the right way so as to get the right result. So the first thing you need to take note of when you want to start sending your cold emails is you need to make sure you have a good email list. Now, what do I mean by having a good email list? Many of us are fond of going over to Google and basically scraping out a kind of email type here, and we think those kind of emails would get us good result. I'm telling you for a fact that many emails or many extractions being done that we don't produce good result. And sometimes in the last couple of years, I myself found myself doing the same thing, and I was really wondering what could have been happening, what could have been really happening, that my leads or that my emails are not producing the same result that my friends are producing. And I realized that the email list I have must be a corrupt one. So you need to make sure you have a good email list. Now, there are various ways you can actually get a good email list. Number one is you can do it yourself, but you doing it yourself means that you need to have a good email scraping tool. For instance, now in my last couple of videos, I've been talking about the Lead Sniper tools, right? And I've been using Lead Sniper tools quite for a number of games now, and I tell you the results so far has just been amazing. So once you have a good email list, okay, you're going to be having a good email campaign being done to it. Now, second way for you to get your own email list is that you give a professional do it by themselves for you. For instance, now somebody actually paid me to help him get over 100,000 emails just a few days back, and it was delivered, and this client was really happy. So when you have people do it for you the right way, you are guaranteed to have the right result. So you can go ahead as well on Fiverr, on Upwork. You can also contact me using the link below to help you get your own targeted quality leads, right? So once you have your leads already gotten, there is a need for you to understand the importance of quality leads. So these are the 2 ways you can use in getting yourself quality leads. Number one is that you can make use of paid tools, and number 2 is you can hire somebody. And to me, I prefer number 2, you hire somebody, because even as though you have those paid tools, if you don't use them the right way, you might still not be able to get the desired result you want for yourself. Now, the whole thing about email marketing and cold email is that your leads are responsive to every email or every message you send to them. So you don't want to go ahead and send emails to people who don't basically want your email. So that is why you need to make sure that the targeted emails you are getting are qualified email lists. So once you have those quality emails already, the next thing you have to do, and many times a lot of persons think these things are not so serious, but whereas they are very important for you to do, which is validating your emails. I tell you this for a truth, guys. If you really want to enjoy the emails that you have gotten, you need to also validate. All right, this can be optional depending on the source at which you got your emails from. For instance, now if you're getting your emails from me, you don't have to go ahead and validating them, because I do all the validation for you. But maybe you're going to be making use of some tools, you can as well go ahead and validate your emails. Email validation is very important and very crucial. Like I told you, especially if the source of your emails are not very legit, right? If they're not very strong, you can go ahead and add some extra validation just to make sure that you have quality leads separated from the bad ones. So once you've been able to get all those things right in place, it is very easy now for you to move over to the next steps, which is me sharing with you some of the tools that you can use in validating your emails. Now, for instance, now there are so many other tools out there that can help you validate your emails. Number one is Zero Bounce. Okay, so if you go over to Zero Bounce, or you come over to Google and you search for Zero Bounce, you're going to be finding Zero Bounce here, and right here you can see there is a software that can help you validate your emails. You can see they have the free version where you can test out the tool, and also if you decide to go for something much more bigger, you might need to go for a paid plan. So right, you can see everything is working fine. Another one here is Never Bounce. Okay, so Never Bounce is also an email validation software that can be used to validate your email. So once once you have all these tools being used together, you are allegedly going to be getting the right result you want for yourself. So far so good here. You can actually check out this one here where I get to show you how what's it called here. You see how to use Bouncer to basically validate your emails. Yeah, Bouncer is a free tool that can be used as well, but they also have a paid plan that you might actually want to test out to get better results. So these are the tools that can help you validate your emails, right? Now, once you've been able to get your emails validated, it is the next thing for you to do now. The next thing for you to do right now is that you build your own sending machine. Now, cold emails is basically different from you practicing email marketing, right? The approach you use for cold emails can be likely similar to that of cold emails to normal email marketing, right? But they are two different things entirely. Now, for instance, if you realize Google and so many other agencies and service providers has actually restricted people with @gmail.com from sending cold bulk emails. Now, what does this mean? It means that many of us might not be able to continue sending out cold emails using our random @gmail.com what's it called, server. So we need to go for a business server. Now, once you are able to get a business account, probably you can get it for $4 or $3 depending on what you want to get. So once you've been able to get it, it is really, really important that you yourself, you get to build your own sending machine. Now, building up a sending machine can be very, very costly. I mean, very, very costly. Somebody actually hired me and my team to help him build his own sending machine, and we know how much money he had to spend because he needed the best tool ever that could help him send thousands of emails every single day. So if you can't go ahead in building up your own sending machine, you can also go ahead by employing somebody, all right, or an agency help you manage your emails, right, by helping you send your emails the time and where you want them to send it to, right? So it is very, very easy. Many people don't have money to go ahead in building up their own sending machine, but whereas they can actually get people like us, all right, help them manage their emails, and they are going to be getting the same result. But many people just want to make sure that their emails are safe and all of that. But I tell you that with my agency, with me working for you, your emails are really, really safe, right? And you can also go ahead on places like Fiverr, and you see many people out there, you might not really trust them, right? So if you have one that you can trust, please make sure you stay glued to him, right? So these are some of the things that you can do to get your emails being sent out the right way, either through using your own sending machine by building one yourself, and also by employing somebody do it for you. So if you want to build your own sending machine, I might actually need to share some other helpful thing to help you guys, teach you guys how to build your own sender machine. If you're interested, you can let me know that you are interested in that. Now, if you want to contact me to help you send your own cold emails, there is a link here where you're going to be addressing or meeting with me personally, and I'm going to be sharing with you some ideas and also working with you to make sure that your emails are being sent the right way. So these are the three things you need to make sure you fix into place for you to start sending out thousands of cold emails every single day. I'm telling this for a fact. 1 million emails sent in the last couple of weeks has just been amazing across different platforms for different industries entirely. So the first thing you have to do is you want to make sure you get your quality email list. Once you have a quality email list, you can as well go ahead and validate. It is optional, but you need to know the source at which you are getting your emails from. Once you know the source, you are easy to go. Number 3 is that you build your own sending machine. If you can't build one, you can go ahead and hire somebody help you do it. Now, so if you have those 3 things in place, you are ready to start shooting out your own cold emails. Now, if you actually have any question regarding this, you can let me know in the comment section below. And as well, like I told you, that these are some of the free tools you can use to start your cold email campaigns working out fine. Number 1 is for you to validate your emails. You can make use of Bouncer, and this video right here is going to show you how to do it. Number 2 is that you can go over to Fiverr and pay somebody some few bucks to help you generate your own quality leads. And you can also work with me that I can use my own area of expertise, my experience, to give you the best result you want for yourself. And finally, you can also still use my agency or work with me to send your cold emails, right, where I help you manage your cold emails, helping you deliver the best results. So far, you can see here on my screen, this is Anna here. Anna, me working for Anna in the last few weeks now. You can see the result we've been able to get. This was the one before Anna met me and the one after I started working with Anna, right? So you can see these are the result we give our client, people who are really, really interested in scaling and growing through cold email. So if you want to see more of me, you can do what, subscribe, like, and also tell me what you feel about this in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye.